I'm Kathy Mountjoy, the Group Tour Coordinator for Smithfield and Isle of Wight Tourism. I work with my fellow tour guide, Deborah Duncan, to offer group and guided tours to our visitors. We'd like to welcome you to our video series, Tour Talk.
This video is an introduction to our newest tour, The Life of Ham. We will board the tourism van and head for Windsor Castle Park, which was the family property of Arthur Smith. He arrived in 1637, settling on the banks of what is now known as Cypress Creek. Next stop, Wolf Hill, the Isle of Wight County Museum, where you will meet the world's oldest ham and peanut on display. Continuing our journey, you will see the headquarters for Smithfield Foods and the Lundin bronze statues of the Luder family. We continue through the historic district and into the county to visit Darden's Country Store. The family has been curing ham as in the old days. You will get a chance to learn the process and taste the real thing.
Please contact me, Kathy Mountjoy, at 757-408-1935 or email kwmountjoy@gmail.com for detailed planning. Prior notice, please, for all tours. Rates may vary according to the size and type of the tour provided. Walking tours are limited to 10. Children under 12 are free. We provide tours for homeschool and public school groups as well. We look forward to seeing you.